Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Today I'm showing you a divan, chaise lounge or day bed. We know it by different names. This unit is a multi-purpose unit. You can use it along with a sofa set. You can put it in a lounge. You can keep it in a bedroom. And the uses can be as per your choice also. Generally, these units gives a different look, you have a three-seater or a chair, but this has got a different look, and this is generally a normal design is higher from one side and it goes lower on the other side. This is the standard formation for a chaise lounge. This is 7 feet out and out. The back height is 44 inches till the highest point, and front to back this is 30 inches, 2.5 feet. This unit is in antique silver and this is in matte finish, so you don't see that gloss that we generally have in our units. Uh, if you compare it with other units that we have created, we have a long list of videos on YouTube, more than 650 videos. You compare it, this is a different, very subtle kind of color because the client wanted such thing. At Aarsun, what we make is what you want. You want this finish, you can do that. You want this one in gloss, or you want more highlighting, that can be done. In the past more than 650 videos, I've shown you so many colors already. We have shown you antique gold and antique silver and antique copper, natural finishes, darker finishes with different fabric colors. And every time you see a different video, you will find a different fabric most of the time. Different fabric because every time we talk to a client, we give them options as per their choice and what they like, we make that. Talking about this unit, this has got a nice damask fabric as the client required, and the cushion is 40 density. It is not too soft, not too hard, and quite comfortable for sitting. If I sit in this corner, you can see it's a spacious unit, and the design is in a flow like this. Colors, we have too many. You can browse through our items and you can see what you like. We can make that for you. And again, the fabrics are choice part. You tell us what you like and we'll provide you options in those colors. This one is going to UK, and anywhere in India you are looking for the stuff, or you outside India you're looking for furniture like this, you can contact us. We'll be happy to serve you. Our website is aarsunwoods.com. You can visit there and you can see what all items we are making, how many designs we have, the actual stuff we are showing, and anything you like from there, you can contact us. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Hope you like our stuff. Thank you. Dhanyawad.